Well, this morning we are tracking a front that is projected to move on through and bring us a good bit of rain. At the moment, it looks like we are going to be too warm for snow for anyone in the mid-state, but spots like Birmingham and northern Mississippi have seen a good bit of snow. But one thing that we are looking at this morning is that it was not as much as what they were expecting this time yesterday. So those snow totals are going to be way low, even in northern Georgia, for later on. But our biggest threat overall, and the reason why we have a weather warn day in effect, is not because of the snow chances, which is really non-existent at the moment for most of us. It's going to be the rain followed by that cold air, and that could be freezing the rain out there, which does have potential for some ice. And at least for now, the radar is clear, but as you can see further on over towards our west near Birmingham, that rain's still moving on through. Our rain chances will be moving in here within the next couple hours, and I'll touch on that in just a second. Before I talk about that, I do want to talk about the winds later today, because this is something else we're going to be keeping an eye on. Many of us are probably going to have wind gusts between 25 and 30 miles per hour, and with those dropping temperatures, it's going to feel very chilly outside. So first part of the day, it's going to feel normal. You see these temperatures down here. That's going to be over for Macon, Forsyth, and Thomaston as we get our way into the next couple hours. Once that front passes us, everyone is going to slowly see this blue area over here where you're seeing the 20s and 30s move all the way down to even spots like McRae and Mount Vernon. So if you're outside at all later this evening or even during the late afternoon hours, just keep in mind it's going to be very, very chilly for everyone, and that wind is not going to make it feel much better out there. When it comes to rain chances, we're not going to see too much over the next couple hours. I'm mainly looking at a time like the later morning into the early afternoon for that rain to push on through, with our best chance to see some heavy rain in between about 12 o'clock and 1:30. Once we get past about 1:30, those rain chances will be moving on out. Same thing with the cloud cover, but keep an eye on this temperature because that's also going to be dropping as well very quickly. Even in the middle of the afternoon, we could be seeing these temperatures falling. I personally think our high temperature of 51 is going to be coming at around 9 or 10 a.m., and we're going to see consistently falling temperatures from that point forward. And as you can see, temperatures still expected to fall overnight, even when we clear on up, dropping all the way down to 23. So all that rain that we get that could puddle is going to freeze very easily overnight tonight, and that's certainly our biggest concern as we move forward throughout your day. Now, last thing I want to touch on is what you can expect. So really just a cold rain for most of us, not really going to be having any good chances of snow across the area. It's mainly going to be up closer towards the Atlanta region. And when it comes to black ice, that is going to be possible for everyone, not just our northern counties, because everyone's going to be seeing temperatures below freezing as we get into the evening hours, which could easily freeze all that water that could be sitting on the roads. And now here's going to be a quick look at your fish and game forecast brought to you by Harrison's Body Shop. The best time for this morning is going to be right around 9 o'clock.